Unlock the future of window cleaning with the ShineMate T9 robotic cleaner, designed for precision, efficiency, and effortless operation. Engineered with smart navigation and advanced sensors, the ShineMate T9 adapts to any smooth surface. Intelligent gyro navigation scans, maps, and detect edges for smooth, streak-free clean. Built-in water tank ensures continuous spray for a spotless, streak-free shine. Auto spray technology delivers the perfect amount of water for a deep, streak-free clean. Embedded UPS keeps it safe, while fast cleaning covers more in less time. Ultra-soft microfiber cloth for streak-free, scratch-free cleaning. Manage your window cleaner from anywhere with app control feature, adjusting settings with ease. From windows and tiles to mirrors and glass, ShineMate T9 brings effortless precision cleaning to every surface.
ShineMate T9, effortless precision at its best.